Hey human, I'm a Braxton Evelyn, the beauty food chick. Welcome to my channel. Achieving beautiful skin isn't solely reliant on a meticulous skincare routine. I'm here to break down myths. It may work for some people, and for some, for most, it doesn't work that way. So it's basically a combination of proper skincare practices and nourishing your body from within. In today's video, we will delve into the fusion skincare and healthy eating habits, how it paves the way for a radiant, glowing skin. So yeah, it's a fusion. For me, that's what works. That's basically what works for me. Join me as we explore the vital roles that nutrition plays in your skin's beauty and vitality. Alrighty, why am I so giddy this morning? Let's go. Welcome to a week of beauty and breakfast. Here are the ingredients of say regular meals that I have. So in here we have grapes, groundnuts, cashew nuts, blueberries, yam, bread, garden egg, tomato, feta cheese, apples, avocado, pear, cabbage. Just keep watching. These are basically things that I eat. So I'll be starting with my Nigerian meal, and that will be peeling my yam, getting my onions ready, and the star of my dish will be garden egg. So this recipe was entirely cooked up as I was cooking. So I sauteed my garden eggs with the onions. Then I brought in dry fish, brought in peppers, allowed that to be cooking on low heat. Then I started to boil my yam. I added salt in it, by the way. This is my homemade onions powder. I am super proud of myself for doing that. And to this bowl, I bring in my yams. And this recipe was the bomb. I went to my garden, I brought basil, garnished that, turned off the heat, and we are moving to the next recipe. I'm excited to be sharing some of my favorite meals. So we are bringing in oats, soaked chia, yogurt, chopped carrots, and pomegranate seeds. And there you have it. So I added honey for some sweetness. This will be left to soak overnight, and you can have this as breakfast. These are my favorite go-to breakfasts, and I hope that you will hop on them. So to my crunchy homemade salad recipes, in here I have carrots, green apples, tomatoes, radish, and there you have it. Very crunchy, very healthy. Basically, do not forget that. And that's my homemade pepper, pickled pepper. I added salt, added black pepper. Honestly, in my opinion, the best way to start, that's dill I'm adding, and honey. The best way to start your day, and feta cheese is coming in. Sorry, I keep interrupting myself. The best way to start your day Look at how pretty that is. Is to have meals that are rich in probiotics, antioxidants. Why? Because they basically fill you up because of the protein and fiber contents in them. Let's toast away. We're toasting away. All right, so toasting my bread in butter. I have this compote recipe that I did off this recording, but I can share that with you. So it's basically strawberries and blueberries, and I am topping that with my feta cheese. This is so filling, so delicious. Moving on to the next crunchy salad. So we have carrots, we have cabbage, green apples, and that's it. No, that's not it. I brought in my pickled onions. If you do not eat pickled onions or put that as an addition to your salad, you are on a long thing. This is so tasty. It makes the flavors in your salad go crazy. Now, this sauce I got from my chicken. I grilled chicken, and there was no way we were going to throw that out. No, we don't do that. We use everything. Now, here comes the chicken. Is that even right? So, basically, you want to be able to have breakfast meals that are really, really energizing. I'll basically say the optimal way to kickstart your day is by fueling yourself with meals packed with probiotics, antioxidants, have I said that? And high protein and fiber content, so that they can keep you feeling satisfied and energized. Look at that beauty. Alrighty, back to our recipes. So kale, coriander, avocado pear. I think I used the liquid I used was tea, and that's it. The best green smoothie, healthy, good for detox, good for the glow in your skin. This here is beauty bliss. That's all I have for you. I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.